Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 100K. Yeah! Welcome to Amavans on the TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Mackenzie 2. I'm joined by Asanda.
Sibo. Okay. Yeah, Sibo sizelana ke sizo honorary fixture.
Yeah.
Igame besithe obvious.
Yes.
Sathi it was igame esihambela sazi ukuthi go win abani.
Yeah.
Singazi ukuthi ubani emagesi ngaba ine chance yokuwin against Sundowns.
Yes.
But ke we expected something different. We get something different from what we expected because abantu bebethi Sundowns is not Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
Yangithola. So they won't lose against Magis. But what happens today it was a win without including our referees.
Yeah.
Yangithola.
Yeah.
Without including ukuthi referee did this, rest did this. It was a great final, especially referee did a great job.
Today, yeah.
Today phela angithi ama referees wabheka my bet.
Yeah.
Mayenze kahle swabheka. So today ureference angalutho.
Yes.
Even ake game matches le Sundowns kwathi ureference kahle. Namhlanje amasadawana avuma ukuthi ureferee akenzanga mistake. Okay, ngizongena egaming because thina sikhuluma ngegame most of the time ngiyathola. But ngifuna ukubongela this guy uKorigoli for Mamelodi Sundowns ukuthi he's the one who costed Sundowns. Yabona lo Korigoli?
Yeah.
He's the one who costed Sundowns. Why ngisho njalo? Because that goal iyona changed the whole system.
Of the game.
Approaches, ama coaches oyi2, that is where they changed. Because if it ubheka uManqoba first half, press uthi ngifuna igoli. Just play guys until we get a goal.
Yes.
And mayelithola leli goal leader by 1 goal. I think befuna kuya first half time anama goal at least 3
yes.
or 2
yes.
So that he can ensure ukuthi okay now sengiyiphethe game.
Yeah.
But now he's leading by a goal. It's a question babembuza half time ukuthi now a coach you are leading by a goal a lot. What can you do the second half ukuthi you ensure ukuthi you keep on leading?
Yes.
But the team lena isabuyibheka.
Yes.
What happens ubuya yena with a different tactic yokuthi guys I want more.
Yeah.
And I want more to prove that thing ukuthi ukeeper player this thing ibikanje bekunama players ayi2 agada imali lapho umkwena noObas.
Yes.
Ukuthi benga allow this team ukuthi ibe na that thing ukuthi bengathola chance every time mabethola ibhola bezama ukudlala emidfield yabaqeda yabo yaphela every time iphela emidfield abafika phambili bheka first half the whole first half abazange bathola shots on target but into eyenzakalayo second half that is where they started to see ukuthi manje lama defensive transitions aseyenzeka after a substitute ka Obas usesele yedwa umkwena and umkwena is a player who does not stay there when umtshela ukuthi akahlali he is used to ukudlala aye phambili ngithola but manje awusenayo iplayer egadele lapha because usufaka uMayema is not that kind of a player usufake okay ngiyambona lo dlala wide umrena so that thing abenza second half to one more even ukufaka kule clock besedlala ngama number 10 ayi2 usefaka uRibeiro usefaka kule clock ufuna more goals and this thing then it was a tactic yake second half and lose the game because this thing if mhlambe ukwazile ukuthi okay now I'm leading by a goal let me introduce at least Mkhulise. Keep this player lentwana Obas because if Obas uyambona ukuthi is not enough, is not doing enough for when at least if Mkhulise someone wazi ukuthi uzokustabilize the game. That is why ababongani Zungu they were very very important in Sundowns last season because they were players who can manage a game for you bakwehlisela izinto bakubuyisisa umqondo ukuthi kuse lalela sisase kwi game sisadlala but second half Magesi what happens ukuthi they took a risk just right after the second half iqala. What do? They put 4 players with press Sundowns prepare mabe put lama players ayi4 ukuthi our press Sundowns malisuka ibhola kusela uKekana nalomjitha umvala uKekana uzama ukudlala ibhola lishaya lentwana le ngisazi ukuthi uMakhubo yini elimshayini malimshaya lithinta uAlend mayezama ukushaya le pass then it was a mistake then leyo mistake cause ukuthi bathola igoal right after second half iqala so that was the plan ukuthi okay now we have a draw manje sesitholile igoli lokho besilifuna then they keep on saying masithola ibhola we do a quick transition leyo quick transition, why is it working? It's working because manje akasekho play gadelile lapha ya. Because Mkwana is a player ekwazi ukudlala phambili, but when usuka transition akanaso speed, he has to run back ayogada space sakhe. Ngithola. So manje use defend usebhekele kwipali lakhe. Ngithola. But ke mina namhlanje ngifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu, ngifuna ukukhuluma ngalento ngale point la Ribeiro. Ribeiro for me, angaze ngamnikeza credit, angaze ngathi Ribeiro is a star player.
Yes.
He is a good player.
Yes.
But he's a good player when Sundowns is playing, he's having a good game.
Yes.
I never saw him standing up for his Sundowns when he played.
Ivar.
That's something engifuna ukuyisho namhlanje ukuthi even a Tito Maswanga is better than Ribeiro.
Yeah.
Omunye ngayesho into ayithandayo because uTito can stand up for a team, can stand up for Orlando Pirates when you see ukuthi it's bad manje. But manje Ribeiro, it's question, it's 1-1, it's draw. You are number 10. Number 10 siyasazi kwa players akwazi ukuthi acreate ama chances out of nothing. Ngiyangithola ukuthi abona ke manje siyazi ukuthi number 10 will do something. Kunalento ukuthi if a coach ubeka tactic, wena as a number 10 uyabona ukuthi tactic is not working. Use your individual brilliance. You are number 10, sifuna brilliant yakho. But ke Sithibo what I'm gonna say ukuthi Ribeiro overrated.
Overrated.
Sharp.
Ribeiro.
Sharp.
The Ribeiro.
Bishop of this.
Man of the match, Chipazes.
Defense. 400,000.